Hey guys, welcome back to Click, and today we're doing an unboxing and review of the Chroma Vivid Protection Case by Patchworks. Big shout out to Patchworks for all the iPhone X cases. If you're looking for one for yourself, the link will be in the description down below. But let's get into this one and see what's what. Now this is in a beautiful rose gold color for anyone who's interested in that color. It does come in various different colors, so check Patchworks' website for the different colors. Let's get into this. Okay. Alright, nothing else in the box. Okay, so you have a thank you card, which has a free giveaway and 20% off your next purchase. You've got Patchworks sticker, the case itself, and a fake iPhone. So we got the real deal, so let's get rid of that. And this is now a dual layered case. Okay, so this does separate. Okay, you've got great drop protection. You've got the same military certificate in here. You've got the Chroma brand here. Okay, so all in all looking sharp. So let's throw it onto the phone and see what's what. So in from the left, over to the right. Okay, real easy to get on. Let me just clean up the screen. And there we have it, guys. Now this has a shimmery finish on the back. Okay, so a little bit more reflective for a little bit more bling if you're interested in that kind of thing. Okay, you've got the soft matte TPU versus the hard shell on the back. So it's a great combination of material. In-hand feel is awesome. So let's see the lay-on table. We've got a good lay-on table for the screen. Nothing on the top, but you do have the soft material. Okay. Now on this side here, there's Patchworks branding right here. I'm going to flip that over to see if I can show it to you. There it is. Volume up and down. Great tactility. Access to your mute vibrate switch. Okay. Nothing in the top as we mentioned. And we have your power button here, which has great tactility too. Now on the bottom, your speaker, charging port, and your mic. Okay. Again, looking sharp there. And now here you can see there's no cutout for your Apple logo, which is a great look for me. I'm not a big fan of that. And you can also see that there are little feet here for the case so that you don't scratch this up and it doesn't look terrible after, you know, a few days of use. So all in all, I think a really well thought out case. Great look. It'll be offered in various different colors if pink is not your thing. Personally, I think it looks really nice, especially for the ladies who are interested in this kind of color. Awesome. Alright guys, the link will be down below. Definite recommend by Click. If you have any questions or comments regarding the case, please do post them down below. Otherwise, I thank you for watching. I'm out. Peace.